8, and 1. And 2, straight ang tuhod. And 3, straight tuhod. Point your toes, other side. And 1, straight tuhod. And 2, and 3, other side. Last one. And again. 7, go and look down ng ulo. Tapos, kaning inyong upper torso, upper abs ninyo. Inyong i-contract. I-contract. While ang inyong ulo nakastay lang. Inyong kamot. Front hands. Same. And then, ang inyong upper ab. Ayaw i-move ang inyong ulo, ha? Do not move your head. Go. 5. Do not move your head. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 5. You do bigger, 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 bigger. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay. Let's try this time ang ulo matalis taas. Diagonal. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Saka. And and 1, jump out, go, and 1. Papapam, papapa, ta, 6, jump, 8, 1. Up, gamay. Backward, gamay. Okay. Ato ba natin? Yes. Out and out of it. Turn out, turn out. Yes. Okay. Sito na kuman. And yes. Again, again. Ang leg ni mo, saka, ikan dire. Go. Mo, turn out. Out, 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 out. Yes. Okay. Again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. Balance. Again. 6, 5, 6, 7, go, and 2. Yes. Ato mo. Saka. Okay. Again. 5. Ulo. Saka ulo. 5. Ato mo ba yun? 5. Ipakita mo. Ano makatawa ng video? 5, 6. Pakita mo rin. 5, 6, 7, go, and saka, bend ang tiil. Bend ang tiil. Okay. Okay. Naka-bend ang tiil. Big saka. Again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go, and again. Last one. 5, 6. Buka. 5, 6. Kailangan ang ulo ninyo.